Pick the business that fits you. Don't expect overnight success. Simple doesn't mean easy coin, but the freedom is worth it.
Copywriting is the foundation of every business on this list. It's the skill that helps everything sell.
This is one of the most scalable businesses, but it takes time, patience, and consistency before you earn.
Businesses need help staying consistent online. If you enjoy social media and trends, this is a strong option.
Digital products scale fast once created, but only sell when they remove friction or teach something people truly want.
Dropshipping focuses on selling existing products that solve real problems. It requires strategy, testing, and marketing skills.
Virtual assistants help business owners with behind-the-scenes tasks. High demand, beginner-friendly, and scalable with experience.
You earn a commission by recommending products you genuinely trust. Easy to start, but requires an audience and trust.
Print on Demand lets you sell physical products online without inventory, storage, or shipping. You create the design, the platform handles the rest.
Success in 2026 comes from choosing a business that fits your personality, your energy, your lifestyle, and how you actually want to work.
Most beginners don't fail because they lack skills or resources. They fail because they choose the wrong business model for them.
Want to start an online business or side hustle in 2026, but feel overwhelmed by all the advice online? Take a breath.
Thanks for watching. If this helped you, subscribe for more honest business advice and drop a comment which side hustle fits you best. I'll see you in the next video.